Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to beautiful state of Washington. Uh, hmm. I know it's cloudy, it's rainy, I know it sucks. But today I'm at Copart Auto Auction. I'm checking out this 2005 BMW 645. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look like on a Copart, how it looks by the pictures, what you can see on the Copart website, the pictures they provide, and the actual car that when you go and look at the spot. This is the pictures you can see on the Copart. So you definitely can see the damage here on the front of the bumper cover, corner light. Hard to tell in here, but definitely you can see the damage right here on the bottom of the bumper and the missing trims in the bumper. On the back of the bumper, you can see the scratches here, but definitely you don't see anything right here, any damage right here. The scratches and the dents it got right there you can't see, and the dents right here on the lower panel of the quarter, you can see the dents and scratches here as well. And they don't pretty much provide those pictures there. On the front, yep, look at that. So pretty much in here, if you never saw the car actually on the spot, you can't tell that it has damage and a roof damage right there. So basically, who's gonna buy online and never look at the car, they're gonna think this is the only damage on the front and few scratches on bumper cover right there. Check it out what we got here. Have bumper cover, have some movements on the headlight, so damage right here. Yep. So pretty much the grill, one side of the grill, corner light, and the bumper has some crack here, so definitely it needs to be changed. The bumper cover and missing some fog lights, bezels over there, and the grill right here. But the main concern is right here, because when I look at the pictures on online, you can't tell that there is a damage right here. All it looks like just on the front, but look at that. They know how to picture, so you don't see it clearly, all the damage on the car. So missing the molding here, yep, and the damage of the side roof and the windshield right here. And also you can't see definitely you can't see the dent and the scratches, the one that's got right here. You can see the dent right here and the scratches. It's kind of deep scratches right here, scratches right there, and the rear bumper cover got some scratches in there. I don't know, maybe you can buff it out, but also looks like it got a damage right here on the wheel. There is a damage right here on the front wheel, and you can see it as well on the pictures. BMW, here to go. So ignition on. One 100,000 miles. Okay, there we go. Starts. So we got the service engine light on, we have steering wheel light is on in here, and GPS. So looks like not bad, it depends how much you will go for. Alright.
Approaching minimum bid.
Looks like somebody really wants it.
Bonus time.
Bonus time, come on. Oh my goodness, I got this car for 1,500 bucks, guys, with Copart fee 1868 for 2005 BMW 645. Really? 1,500 bucks? I hope there will be no surprises. Stay tuned and watch the second episode. Will coming up soon after we bring the car here in the shop and put it on the lift and check it out everything, and we'll see what the roughly is gonna cost us to fix it up and what's gonna happen to this car after it's all done and how much it's gonna worth. But I'm sure will be a great car to drive. This one is my second 645, and maybe you saw my previous videos about the 645 that I used to have, and then I replaced the quarter panel. Alright guys, good luck.